Hey everybody, it's Jeff. I'm going to quickly show you how to use a static site generator on Apptron and reveal a major Apptron twist. In the last video, we saw how files under the public directory are served live as a static site, and how we can use the publish command to sync files to the public directory. Today we're going to do the same thing using a static site generator called Taragen. This is a completely new, fast and minimal site generator that we might end up building into Apptron. For now, we have to install it, which we can do with an env-rc file. This is a project-specific shell script sourced after the Apptron banner in the terminal. This script downloads a Taragen release, if not already installed, and unzips it into your persistent home directory. Now, if we reload, it will install Taragen. And you might notice Taragen is just a Linux executable. The big twist with Apptron is that it runs entirely in browser. This means there is a full Linux system, not running in the cloud, but locally in the browser, letting us run stock Linux executables on simple static pages. Let that sink in. Apptron can likely run your favorite site generator, but for now, let's take a quick look at Taragen as an example. First, even though Taragen is written in Go, it supports JSX. We can rename the file extension from HTML to JSX, and now we can use JavaScript expressions in our pages. Using convention over configuration, if we rename it to _layout.jsx, it will become the default layout for the site. Rather elegantly, you can put parens arrow at the top of a JSX file, and that makes it a valid function, and therefore a valid layout or partial. Now we have a layout, but we lost our home page. Taragen supports Markdown with front matter, so we can make an index.md as our home page. And here we have a Taragen site on Apptron. There is a little more to Taragen, but not a whole lot more. I'm quite proud of its performance and simplicity, which is why it might end up getting added to Apptron, but only as an optional default. You'll always be able to generate sites with practically any toolchain. And the fact I can say that about an environment that runs in the browser is quite exceptional. More on that in the next video as we look at a couple other uses for Apptron, including as a way to embed arbitrary Linux software on websites. Thanks for watching.